Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put circle earrings on. First, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to maintain hygiene and prevent any potential irritation or infection. Next, carefully inspect your circle earrings for any imperfections, like sharp edges or slight bends, which could make insertion difficult. Then, gently open the earring's clasp or hinge, preparing it for wear. A small, handheld mirror can be incredibly helpful for a clear view of your earlobe. Now, let's move on to inserting the earring. With one hand, gently hold your earlobe, locating the piercing. Carefully align the earring's post with the piercing hole. Slowly and steadily, guide the post through the opening. Remember, this process should feel smooth, not painful. If you encounter any resistance, stop and slightly adjust the angle. Never force the earring, as this can cause discomfort or damage to your earlobe. Once the post is through, it's time to secure your beautiful circle earring. Carefully bring the two ends of the earring together, aligning them perfectly. Gently close the clasp or hinge mechanism. You might hear a small click, indicating it's securely fastened. Double-check that the earring is completely closed, with no gaps. A very gentle tug will confirm it's firmly in place and ready to be worn comfortably throughout your day. To ensure lasting comfort and shine, here are a few helpful tips. Regularly clean your circle earrings with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove oils and dirt, keeping them sparkling. Occasionally, gently rotate your earrings in your piercing to prevent them from becoming stiff or sticking. Always remember to remove your earrings before sleeping or showering to avoid damage or discomfort. Store them in a clean, dry place, perhaps a jewelry box, when not in use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.